Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you like this look that I've created today, just keep watching. Let me know what you think down in the comment section as well of this beautiful look. I think it's an Instagram type look, not really YouTube, but you know, I do Instagram, I do YouTube, so might as well film it while I do it. So yeah. I use the James Charles palette. I know this guy's cancelled, but this palette is really good. So why is my palette so dirty? Okay, I'll use the back. So I use this palette, the James Charles palette. I also used the glitter up here. It's from my collection, HDBEAUTY Cosmetics, which you can find on Instagram at hdbeauty.makeup. Find it there. You can also find it at, on Depop, HDBeautymakeup Cosmetics. I think that's what it's called. If not, everything will be linked down, well, maybe not linked, but everything will be down in the description for you to search. So I used the shade Fairy Dust, which is, this is my own personal stack. That's why it looks like this. I mean, you could order this stack if you want to, but it's gonna cost ya. But anyways, this one is called Fairy Dust, which is the first one here. It's like a silver shade with like, don't worry, when you get it, you know. I use that for the glitter up here. If you want that, that's £3 per pot. And then for my lid, all the matte shades are from the James Charles palette. And then for my lid, I used the yellow shade in this neon stack called Sunshine. It's called Sunshine, so I put that on my lid over here. And these lashes are to die for. They're a bit extreme, but they're really cute. And I think that's all I used. Yes. That's what I use for my eyes. We all know I base this channel on my eyes mostly, but that's what I used on my eyes. And yes, I think that's all I wanted to talk about. If you don't want to use this lip, if you want to recreate this, if you don't want to use this lip, you could always use a completely different lip. I was going to go with a nude lip, but I just thought, hello, you're a makeup artist, let's go extreme. So I decided to do eyeshadow for my lips. I might still put lip gloss on it, just to, because I hate my lips being like matte / dry. I prefer them to look juicy and plumpy, you know. Okay. So I might use lip gloss, clear lip gloss later. But if not, this is how it's gonna stay. This is how you're gonna see the pictures on Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on all my socials. They will be linked down below as well. My Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter. I don't use Facebook, but I should. But all three will be linked down below. Yeah, I think that's it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and please let me know what you think down in the comment section before you leave. Thank you. Love you all. Bye. Hi guys, so let's get started. So I used the LA Girl concealer in Porcelain, in the shade Porcelain. So I'm gonna use that as an eyeshadow base / primer. Then I'm gonna go in with the James Charles palette. I don't know what these shades are actually called, because I don't know where that paper thingy is. But I used the darkest blue. Then I went in with the green. Like, I think it was the light green I went in with. On top of it, that. And then the blue started to kind of like fade out. So then I went in with the dark blue again to darken the outer corner and the crease, because because of the way I cut it. Like, I didn't cut it where my crease is. I kind of cut it below my crease. No, what am I saying? Sorry. I went above my crease with the darkest blue, so I can cut it where my crease is, and then you can still see the darkest blue, if you know what I'm saying. Yes, so here I'm going back in with the darkest blue, as you can see. I think I used a little bit of black as well to deepen the shade. And what you want to do is you want to make sure you blend properly, because like dark shades are apparently kind of hard to blend. I don't find them hard, but dark shades to a lot of people are hard to blend, especially with working with black and like blues and stuff like that. So you just want to take your time in blending. Then I didn't really show too much of the cutting the crease part, because I mean, I feel like everybody knows how to do that. You just look up and it transfers to where it's supposed to be, and then you just follow the line. Do you know what I mean? Follow the leader, follow the leader. Anyways, then after that I went in with the blue shade and like tried to blend it into the outer corner of where the crease is. So now I'm just going in with HD Beauty Cosmetics glitter, and I use that with on top of my crease area. So here I'm gonna go in with HD Beauty Cosmetics as well in the neon shade from the Rainbow Stack. You can contact hdbeauty.makeup on Instagram or hdbeautymakeupcosmetics on Depop to order some. But this is the Rainbow Stack. I showed in the beginning of the video. This is the Rainbow Stack, and I'm going in with the shade Sunshine. So now you just want to blend the outer corner so you know it doesn't have like a harsh line or whatever. So yeah, just clean your face and then do your regular face routine. And I think that was it for the eyes. Oh yeah, I went on the bottom line. I also went in with, what was it? I think it was blue, and I think a little bit of green. I'm not too sure, but I know I went in with the blue. Yeah, and then for this part, this foundation is new. I just got it. It's the MUA, I believe. No, it's not. It's the Revolution Matte Base Foundation in the shade F16. So I just used it all over my face. It came out a little bit red, I can't lie. But in the end, it was alright. It blended out alright. And then as usual, I'm going in with concealer in the shade Toffee. And setting powder is going to be Sacha Buttercup. I don't know if I used blush or not. I can't remember. And then this is the MAC MSF. Can't believe I actually said that right. I always say DSF. MSF in Dark Deep. And everything, don't worry, everything will be listed down in the description. Every single product I used. Oh yeah. For contour, I basically used the matte palette. I don't know what this palette is actually called. Oh my god. I don't know, but I think it's like 19 shades in there. Okay, this is what I use for blush actually, the James Charles palette. So I just used 2 of the matte shades from that palette. I don't know what that palette is called. When I find it, I'll put it down in the description. And then I'm going in with my own highlights, my HD Beauty Cosmetics that I'm trying out before I actually release them. Here I'm doing the waterline thing with the black liner. And that's it. I put the eyeshadow on the bottom, the blue one, to make it match where the blue was. And for my lips, I just used eyeshadow. I used what I use on my eyes, including the neon shade, and just blended it out. And used some glitter, but that's about it. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Bye. This is such an Instagram look because of the lip. It's wild.